GBOS participated in the 30th International Exhibition on Footwear Leather Industry in Guangzhou. Provide you more than fast, one-stop smart cutting solutions. We are looking at the fastest stitching line marking machine with 600 mm per second speed. High accuracy could replace at least 4 workers. The return on investment is only 1.6 years. VTIS CCD, high-end configuration laser cutting machine, equipped with super camera and projector, used for cutting digital printed vamp and single color knitting vamp, also good at blind cutting, no yellow edge. VC9-1670 is an oscillating live cutter with 2 heads, 8 punches, suitable for most materials of shoes, multiple layers cutting for small components up to 18 mm. VC9-1616 is also new coming oscillating live cutter, open style with 2 hands and 8 punches. 3 sections of working area, each section is 1.6 by 1.6 meters. A solution for all materials, especially for large format leather. New coming ITS 3 nesting system for leather promote 30% of leather usable area. R3 is a glue spraying system with rubber for shoes outsole, with heating, spraying, inspection, and drying functions together. It generates the route automatically by 3-dimension scanning. Can recognize left and right side by itself. Combined with Japanese technology, very easy to operate.